Jamaican Shore Fishing, welcome back to the channel, guys. Big up yourselves. I'm rushing here. I'm trying to get the bait. Rasta's cleaning up the bait. Cousins in there getting bait. We got Kemar in the building. And we're ready, guys, to do some drop line fishing this morning, some permit jack, and they're feeding. So we came out. Hopefully we can get a hook up for you guys this morning. Cousins getting some more bait. I got 3 bait ready. We're going to hook those on, drop those in the water. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. Yeah, guys, so I got the alarms. Let's get baited up. I'm gonna get this in the water. See if we can pick up one of these big permit jacks this morning, guys. Come on, look, this is how you do it. You push it through here and you wiggle it. Look, you wiggle it till it breaks a little small hole. Once it breaks a small hole, you wiggle a little bit and get the barb through. So the barb goes in, it can't come back out. Don't pressure it too much, you see it? So what we want to do is get out while they're feeding. All right. I know, I see it. I want to get out while they're feeding, but I don't want to send such a far cast. I want to go out to about 40, 50 yards right there. Boom, perfect. That's my big rod.
Oh, yeah, man. Respect, man.
Yeah, I hit Kamara that tell me about saying it out for you. Yeah, man, Rasta just got a lure. We got one set. Big rod is set, guys. So we have drag set on that. Now we got to get other rods out. Yeah, guys, look at that rod. That line's slacking up already. The line just slacked up on me a while ago. I don't know why that did that. See, there they go again.
Yeah.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
I know that. I know that. I know that, buddy. I know that. Right there. One or too far. Yeah, they're feeding, boy. And that's what I want. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Get me another rig, bro. Yeah, guys, I think we're getting hit. We're getting hit, guys. No, man, when you grab your crush, I'm gonna crush that and I'm out. When you hear that noise, if you see this line belly out, that means he's swimming in. Once this fish finds out there's a line on him, bro, all hell is gonna break loose. When I mean all hell is gonna break loose, he's gonna go sideways, he's gonna go right, he's gonna go up, he's gonna go down, he's gonna try everything within his power that he got strength for to get away. This is a no joke fish. This is one of the fish that make me cry mama when I reel him in. I swear, bro, they work you. They work the hell out of you, especially if they're 10 pounds. Oh, damn, he got a spinner. Spinner kill a barrow. You kill a barrow on that spinner. And you know down there is the barrow territory. Right in front of you. Yeah. Give me another rig. Wait on the rig. Where rig there? Where rig there? One of them must grab, man. Yo, cuz, crush up some, chew in the water. Crush up some, chew in the water, cuz.
Oh, so you have some more,
Yeah, man, peel them off, man. Clean them up.
We should get out for Jay.
Hmm?
We should get out.
Look here, look on them. I tie T-nuts. Yo, watch him, cuz. Watch this. Watch right there. Look at the fins. Just look for the fins.
See them.
See them? They feeding. They feeding. Rasta, want a short line. Want a short line, Rasta, for going in the water. With me look rod.
Short line, you just give me a piece of line.
No, I need a line. I need another rig.
Oh, that'll be the rig.
You can't hold him, man. In the hole is still enough, but it'll burn him up. It'll give him a rotted fight. You seen what happened last week? You see on the far them fish come in.
Fish I don't say it's sitting there them on the rock.
Alright. And that's what they feed. Look, come here. I do snell knots and I run it back into a T-knot.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not bad.
Well, Gamaji. See them just right in front of you. I'm gonna grab one of them, man. They're right in front of us. I'm gonna drop, that's why I want a short line to drop close. Okay, you have a long line, medium, and far. Cause don't frighten them off, you know, as they see you, they ain't gone, you know. Don't go down there, you know.
Come up.
See some up, there's a cuz behind you, look behind you. Come on, wait, Russell. Wait. Fuck this split right now.
What size?
2 ounce. 1 ounce, come on, 2 ounce.
Yeah. 5.
But that 2 ounce. So 2 ounce, this will work. Yeah, man, I'm fishing my fish, man.
Fishing my fish.
Give me swivel where you have, Russell. Where swivel?
What are you doing for?
Where swivel? No, tell me that. Where swivel there? Let me give you. The swivel, let me give you look a while. I that's what I show you now. That's why I build a short line. See, gone out on my other line there.
Yeah.
I may do that, man. So then you can see it. You know, cut out the fucking card off. What you do with that? J, circular hook. Rasta, now you know, pay attention, man.
Put up.
Give you put up, I give you a swivel, I never give you the damn wire. Cause I big one them if you get in them and then look at one then doing no good in them. Yo, pull out the shrimp.
I don't go say my go back, Jerry. Don't go say big one.
Ah, sorry. One other one, give me one other one. Yeah, sure. I may do that, man.
I want the boy, I know. No, it's a go broken arrow.
Uh-huh. Let me do that, look a while.
Grab one thing, grab it. Load.
I know, close the trunk. See him right now, deal with them here fishing here, man. Right? Right, that's me. I put that shrimp there. Right, that's all.
How you put pan all
The shrimp. Put the shrimp back in the cooler and make it out. As a multi-bait, you set up. Line up yourself, man. The Papa rig is a good rig you can use with some weight. I have weights in there if you need weights. I have lots of weights. I have 2 ounce, 3 ounces. You understand? Egg sinkers. In this, there's weights. Yeah, man, they're getting hit. Yeah, shore fishing. We haven't made a video like this in a while. I think we got Andre Hartman Adventure down there. I'm not sure. That looks like Andre. Rasta, take off a couple of shrimp head and dash in the water. But then come in, the more come in, come feed. Once you start do that, chum up the water, bring them in. Oi, cuz, if you can get some big one and crush them up, throw them in the water, chum up the water. Cuz, if any of that grab on the hand line for you today, you know. Whoop, whoop, cuz, fish on, fish on.
Run the road.
Brother, learn to throw straight. Your line no go up, so your line over my line, bro. I am not up my nylon. When I'm ready for kill a fishing idea. Man, come get all my nerve hype up right now. Brother, no play with me this morning, yeah, man. I'm tell you, if you put weights on the damn line and stop, use nail. You know have we lead weight. And you can't do this in the water because you're frightened of the fish. Them fish, then you're big enough. So it's when I see you, gone like a gunshot to blood cleat. They don't want to see no shot of you in the water. Or 2 fish bite at the line, puffer fish or the jackfish, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Grab him, man. Rasta, tap me the line, the shrimp thaw out. I shrimp head me tell you if you throw in the water, you mess with line. Something hit that line a while ago. I said take off some of my head and throw in the water and make the shrimp thaw out. Cause remember say we not on ice. You have to take off the head them, brother. Like 1 or 2 of the head them. And go so and take them off so. And just chuck them in the water, bro. So let them come in, they will smell you and come in. And are you go over my line? Are you going over my line? No, sir. No, sir.
How much line? 3 line. 3 line, you know.
4 line. You going over, sir? Sitting and mess with my line then, man.
Come so close,
Yeah, man. Right up there, sir.
Yeah, man. One comes right there, well. Don't give them too much, yeah.
No, man, I make them feed, man. Make them come in and know say there, so they come in a group. You understand? Put in a cooler back. You can pull out one of the big soldier crab and set it to, you know. Not belly out yet. I'll save some battery power Jamaican shore fishing. Stay. This woman I like. And the only way you free up unless one of them grab it. The line no lick yet, you know. But me don't want to break off the rig either. Tie up an extra rig just in case when I'm ready to pull this in. Bro, you have to watch the lure here so you get hitched up here. A low tide. Up there so I better lure casting and done so. Yeah, it's where them there. Better water that for lure fishing. Or done here so where boat them there, you have a look at depth. Where lure can dive down look a bit. Them a fish where I hunt, a sea egg, them a feed pan. So it all hitch up, so if you notice the fish turn sideways if you feed, the water is very low. So you lose your lure if you're not careful. Now tie up one more rig, Rasta. Yeah, I'm gonna do a over under rig, a double over under rig, and run some shrimp on it. I'm gonna run with like a 2-aught, 3-aught hook. I'm not gonna run a small hook, but weights in my bucket this one. Watch out for hooks in there, yeah? So, you see the shrimp head them where you see me throw out there? Keep them within place. Yeah. You know, make them move and run off because them know say food they bout. So them say, damn, we'll get food in the water here, man. In my practice. And then when you lure fish too, you have to be able to get some good water shoes, brother, because sometimes you have to go out there. I have a YouTube channel called Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube, you know. Yeah, that's me. I do strictly lure fishing. And this man, I decided to not do no lure fishing this man. I'm going to do some drop line. Come here, some work I go on board the place. So I attend to the work. Good vibes. You better go down there so you're not early still because you'll pick up a barra. You see when them man there, you'll pick up a barra. Trust me, bro. Just go out in the water with them. After you pass the rocks, there's nothing else to really worry about. Yeah, I just stay up on the local wall there and work that local shallows there. That's yo, walk the concrete on the beach there, man, and trust me, bro. Yeah. A long time I do it up here, you see it? Alright. I'll lift out that one out of the water right now. Alright, diver. Wanna care back sitting for me here? Nah, man, me there want to come back all the time. I don't care back sitting for me. If me not get nothing, care back sitting. Look, watch this. I'll show you something. Oh, watch this. You never stress your reel. See? You go like this. See it loose? Once it loose, we can go and lift them up. You understand? Never stress your reel on your rod. Never put tension on the rod or pressure on the rod that's unnecessary unless there's a fish on it. So then gone with this a bait already in a rasta. I'll make you think more and check it. Come back empty, they took the bait, look. They took the bait. Shorter with this now. Yo guys, I just dropped the line in and I just hooked onto something. I don't know what it is, but just dropped it in. I put thread on it, shrimp thread, and as I drop the line in, I get the hook up. Pure fishing, boy. I tell you something, shrimp is the ultimate bait. I think I got a jackfish, bro.
Yeah.
Or a grunt or something. Woohoo! Nice jack.
Yeah. That is it.
Cuz! I brought my ducks, cuz! Yeah, so we got a jackfish this morning, guys.
Yeah.
A bar jack. Check it out.
Yeah, no chance to take that bait.
No chance to take the bait. You see that one, fam? That was the shrimp thread. And we set that up. Yeah. Drop him in there. Shrimp thread. So now, give me one more shrimp.
Oh, one more.
Now we use this shrimp thread on it. It gave him a real hard time to take the bait off. It took him a second to get it. You seen that? As I dropped it in the water, he was already there on it, biting it already. So we're using a shrimp thread today, and I believe this shrimp thread came from, I think it was Real Flankers. Real Flankers sent me this shrimp thread, guys. Big up to Real Flankers. And he sent me a whole bunch of spoon lures, threads, and all kinds of stuff. So I'm about to thread this back up again. Can you see that again, Rice? Yeah, you're gonna hear gunshots in the background, guys. It's bird season now, so everybody's hunting and shooting and stuff like that. We out fishing. So hold this, Russ. Just gonna wrap this again. Give it another wrap. He had a hell of a time getting that bait off a while ago with the shrimp thread. Bait thread. And we just wrap it on and send them out there. Nice jackfish a while ago, guys. All right, so we're gonna go back out, set this thing and set the. I didn't even get a chance to set the alarm a while ago.
As it hit the water, you get a hit.
The water. All right, let's get this cast back out again. Out there. You making some fishing? Out there again, guys. Like I said, I didn't get a chance to even set the line. Sea eggs, we got soldier crab, and we got shrimp set out there on the line today. Drop line fishing today. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We out here with Kemar. Kemar drop line, but he's been busy setting up. I don't know what's up. Kemar, what's going on with you? You need help?
Chill out.
All right. If you need a rig, let me know. I can set up a rig for you quickly. So, we'll get him set up and get him out. It's not too heavy because the hand line has to go out. Yeah. I'm getting hit. I don't know which one's getting hit. I think. Oh, was it this one? Yeah, I'm getting hit again. Drop line fishing, guys. Hard to get that bait off that line. I got that bait thread on it. That's what's up. Shore fishing, we getting hit again on that line. It just got hit. Fish on, guys. I think I got fish on. Permit jack hitting. I got a hit a while ago, yo. Wicked hit.
Right now, I practice.
Gone. Bait, Rasta, bait him up, bait him up. Yeah, yeah. Shrimp bait, you have to pull out and put on quickly, you know, man. Then soon come in again in at 9 o'clock and the next time to come in. Thread. Want one more shrimp. Next one. Oh, I'm here shaky. Tread. Fish on. Fish on. Fucker came off. Okay, sit on there. Right. Shore fishing. We're about to pack up. We got work to do, guys. I got work to do. I got some stuff to do. Battery's about to die on this. We got some hookups. He got a hookup. Fish got away. And we saw the fish this morning. They was all through here. We thought would have hooked up onto something already. But it's getting late. We have work to do, so we can't delay that any further, guys. So bless up yourself. Thank you guys for joining Jamaican Shore Fishing. Appreciate each and every one of you for joining the channel. Smash that thumbs up and see you on the next video. Enough love and respect. And one big up to my brother here. Push out. Come on, push out with me today. And Rasta they are seeing we and Cuz they are seeing we. And trust me, guys, the fish were here. We just didn't hook any. All right? Enough love and respect all the time.